6.3 is the law of cosines. And so part 1 here gives us a definition of the law of cosines. It says in any triangle ABC with side lengths of A, B, and C, we can find side A squared, is equal to side B squared plus side C squared minus 2BC cosine of angle A. Or, if we're looking for side B, we know that it's going to be B squared is equal to C squared plus A squared minus 2CA times cosine of angle B. Or if we're looking for side C, we can find that because it's equal to A squared plus B squared minus 2AB cosine of angle C. So what this means is that the square of any side of the triangle is equal to the sum of the squares of the length of the other two sides less twice the product of their lengths of the other two sides and cosine of their included angle. So it's just some formulas there that aren't too bad. So let's go through and let's work example 1. So it says in a triangle ABC, find side B, given that side A is 2, side C is 3, and angle B is 60 degrees. All right, so we're only after side B. And so we know that we have two sides and the angle in between them. So we can use the law of cosines. Well, if I'm after side B, I'm going to use the formula that B squared is equal to, now they put C squared plus A squared, but remember when you're adding, order doesn't matter, and I just personally like to keep them in order. So I'm going to write it as A squared plus C squared minus 2 times A times C times cosine of angle B. And so we're looking for B squared. We know side A is 2, so we'll plug that in. Side C is 3. And then plug in side A and C again here, times cosine of angle B, which we know is 60 degrees. So B squared equals, 2 squared is 4, plus 3 squared is 9, minus 2 times 2 times 2 times 3, that's 12, times cosine of 60 degrees. So B squared equals 13 minus 12, cosine of 60 degrees. And then I know to solve for B, I'm going to have to take the square root, so I'm going to take the square root of all of that. And we find B is equal to, and so if we do the exact value, we would say it's the square root of 7. And so side B is equal to the square root of 7.